Hello everyone and welcome to our 49th day of our world travel. As you can see, we slept in the Beamer again. This time we were a little bit better prepared, but still this car was not built for camping. Now I would like to show you how our camping site looked like. The big suitcase is here, the small ones in the front. Here's one. Here's the computer and other gear, because I was editing a video last night. And overall, all of the windows are fogged because cold, warm, simply physics. Yeah, and this is how our camper looks like. And yeah, my wife is sleeping underneath. She's just hiding. Okay, let me show you where we spent the night. Wow. It was the best decision ever to stay here last night. This is beautiful. Last night we stored all of our food with the girl next door. She was sleeping in her camper. She was so kind to store, well, our sausage, cheese and everything in her camper, as I mentioned it previously. And now I'm just going to the restroom. And as you can see, we're not the only ones camping out here. That has really a tradition here in the US. The only bad thing is we have any internet coverage anymore in a few moments. We almost have everything here, but one thing is missing: EV chargers. And they even have PV here. This is our after camping ritual, making the Beamer a car again and not a camper. Okay, now let's get most of our belongings back into the trunk. So I was totally right. The construction site they have over there is going to become a Rivian fast charger. The owners of that Rivian over there just told me that and showed me that in the Rivian app. Cool. And now it's time to head to our next destination. You will see it during our vlog. I'm not going to say straight away where we're heading to. Went out of the car. We're now in the middle of nowhere. There's some roadworks in front of us, and yeah, I'm just standing and having a view of the nature. Simply amazing. It honestly reminds me really on Namibia, honestly. Like for everyone who's not able to issue a visa for the US, if needed, travel to Namibia, it looks the same. If you like nature. We already thought they're building a new street here. Pustekuchen. They're painting it with new tar. Welcome to Nevada. Alright, yeah, I just refilled the car for $10, so approximately 2 gallons. And that should be enough. We just crossed our first 2,000 self-driven kilometers across the United States. And it still looks like Namibia outside. Just recently someone asked me how we can afford our world travels. They saw that we rented a BMW, that we are flying around the country, that we are staying in really beautiful cities. And the answer is we're saving every penny we can save. For example, on the way here we realized that we wouldn't have enough fuel to, but we did not stop by at the expensive fuel stations. We stopped at the fuel station where the fuel was around $5 per gallon instead of $7 where we previously made a stop. And now, being cheap, I just refilled 2 gallons because I know it would be enough to come to. As you can see, 44 kilometers, 93 kilometers are range left, and it will cost us less money to refill the car. Why? Because a gallon of fuel will cost us approximately $4. Any guess where we are at the moment? We reached our destination. Have a guess where we are. We drove 177 kilometers since our last refilling of the car, and we had an average consumption of 5.8 liters. For the reason that the prices went a little bit up, we decided to just refill the car for 10 to 15 bucks, and that should be enough to commute here around the city where we just arrived. And tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, we're going to refill the car when prices go down again. Okay, if you pay inside, you go, set the amount, press the button, and actually it should refill now for 15 bucks. Yeah. And let's see how many gallons we get for 15 bucks. Probably around 3 gallons. Okay. We just topped up the car for 15 bucks. We got out a little bit more than 3 gallons, and that should be more than enough to commute here in between the city. Okay, we arrived after 7 hours and 35 minutes at our destination, or better said, after 542 kilometers. And you have to deduct 1 hour from the driving time, because this morning I run the engine for 1 hour to heat up the car while it was having 8 degrees Celsius out there. So don't mind, we're here not in Europe. So yeah, we arrived at our destination. And does someone have a guess where we are? Finally, after over 2 hours in line, we finally got our room keys. Let's see our room. Here we have our bathroom. Okay, that's nice. 2 big beds. I think everything is still original. They also had fully refurbished or renovated rooms already, but they wanted to have another $100 per night, what I declined. And now I'm going to show you the amazing view after I was able to open the blinds. And just look at it. You see all over Vegas. It's amazing.
And then he's like, oh man, I just got to the country the second time.
And now, after we showed you the queue or the line in which we have waited for the last 2 hours in order to receive our key cards for our room, we're driving with you to the strip now. And I'm not really going to comment anything. I would just invite you to stay to the end, to subscribe, to leave a like or a comment if you liked the video so far, and enjoy with us Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas! It's actually already the second evening and we decided today to do not vlog. Initially we were vlogging in the morning and then we just had the idea to come down, to relax, to recover a little bit of our journey, recover of camping in the car, and we were just enjoying the night together in Vegas because actually we wanted to leave tomorrow, but we decided to stay for another day, booked a different hotel, and tomorrow we're going to move with you guys to another hotel here in Vegas. Thank you for watching. Please consider to subscribe.